Hello, welcome to the 5th of December for day 5 of the Guardians of the Galaxy Lego reveal and build. Day 5, right here in the middle. Let's get into it. What do we have? It's a minifig. It's going to be a quick build. Quick if I can open the packet. Right, who do we have here? As I mentioned earlier, I am a fan of Guardians of the Galaxy, but I don't know the ins and outs of Guardians of the Galaxy. So, minifig is going to be a very quick build. If I can, oh, that's the tail, is it? That's going to go on there. Okay. See that? That is the tail. Nice. Goes through its legs. And there we have it. That's it. That's day 5. Nice and quick. Done. All right. It's a pretty good minifig, actually, when you look at it. What's the name of this character? Is it Mantis? I'm not quite sure. It's not Groot. I know Groot. Maybe Mantis. I'm going to have to look that up, and I'll add it into the description. Well, that's it for day 5. Not much else to see here, so hopefully see you tomorrow.